Well,
action. I got him.
welcome to Money Pit Boating. We got 5 magnets to unbox and review, so stay tuned. We're starting with the least powerful pull force to biggest. And this one is the Mutator. Tell me that's not what it says.
Mutu actor.
Anyways,
Yep.
there will be links for all this stuff below. So if you want to help the channel out, that'd be awesome. Maybe we can fix our boat. What was that? So this one's got 400 pounds of force.
Ooh.
It's got nice gloves.
Who knows what they say on them? Ooh, it's a tiny little boy.
It's got an orange rope.
String, barely even a rope.
So this comes with a bag.
That's the nicest feature.
He's right. It's a nice bag.
That would just loop on right there.
I don't know if I trust this. Kind of like shrink wrapped it. I don't know how secure that is, but
I think the knot will be good enough.
we'll use it. Yeah, it's a cool little magnet. Neodymium.
I like the painting, or it's a sticker.
That thing was, I don't know if we should say pricing.
Yeah, who really cares? It's probably gone up $10 since we started filming.
Next one. So this is a 400 pound one. This is an 800 pound one. And it says complete fishing, or complete magnet fishing. Ooh, it's got a case.
I like this one more already because I like the bear.
Okay, so we got a case. Coots already broke it.
Oh,
So
a little mini grapple.
it does come with a grappling hook with the little protection thingies over the spikes, which is kind of nice. Looks to be about the same gloves. Here is a nice soft washcloth. Ooh, this one
It's
did.
like a screen dust rag.
This one did come with thread locker. This is much beefier rope than that guy's.
And the star of the show, well, the magnet. This one,
I think the star of the show on this one is the case.
this one feels like it's got some real heft to it. Like it feels just as heavy as it. Do not get your fingers between the two and
No.
pinch.
Yeah, I kind of want to put them together. These seem to be about the same type of gloves, just with a different print on them. Put them together. Now, that's 400 pounds of force. That one's 8. You put them together, how much force do you got? Anybody? I wonder if these are waterproof, though.
No way.
Like
I mean, the palm,
yeah. This does feel pretty solid. This one does not have the hole on the top, like that one. So
Mounting it this way is not an option.
yeah, you gotta slide it. This is much beefier. I don't know how much price increase that was, but it probably was. My ring almost came off. That would have been bad on Valentine's Day.
Well, at least we got 5 magnets to look for, right?
Yeah, right?
This was the one that we started off with.
It is the Fine Mag double-sided magnet fishing kit with rope, fishing magnets, 1,000 pounds pulling force, magnet fishing kit for retrieving items in river, lake, beach, lawn, 2.95 inches diameter.
Yep.
No, but this one came with Loctite too.
Yeah.
Ropes, gloves, and it actually came with 2 of the. This is the other piece, so you can actually mount it both sides, which is kind of cool. This one was $29.99. This one caught a lot of treasure for us.
It inspired a new genre for us.
It did. Check out our playlist.
Wait, no, you haven't watched that video already. This one I already kind of like because anglerfish are kind of cool. Treasure chests are very cool.
So this one is 1,250 pounds pulling force. And the rope is blue, so it's already my favorite.
Not only does it have a grappling hook, but what a nice shade.
Let's just give it up for Angler Mag.
Backing it up another for some reason. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That,
How's that?
Where's the Dinty more?
More gloves.
Those look thicker.
They do. How'd
This
you
is,
get blue felt all over your face?
this is kind of cool. It is soft. I don't know if you can read that, but it prevents it from wearing, I guess. And this thing
Oh wow.
seems solid. I'm really strong, so this test's really good. That's kind of different. Gives you a ski mask so you can rob a bank. So this is probably the same thing as, I wonder if these were made in the same place. This one does not come with a case though.
No.
It comes with the ski mask bag, but now let's look at the star of the show. 1,250 pounds pulling force. blue.
I don't want to get the magnets too close together to check the diameter on them, but it looks like a pretty similar one to the one that we've been using.
It's like snap.
But this one has
Dude, you be careful, man. That's gonna.
has another bit of height to it.
That thing looks like a can of tuna. Let me
It's
see.
dense.
Oh yeah.
And some thread lock.
Yeah, this thing's serious.
I'll be honest, I wasn't too blown away by the strength of this one. I feel with as mucky as the riverbed is here, it just builds up so much muck on it. So even if you pick up something that's a couple of pounds, that muck adds so much more weight and then suction to it. It says it's 1,000 pounds, but
There's no way. There's got to be some weird rating for that.
yeah, I don't think it could lift up a 10-pound dumbbell.
Yeah. The way they rate these things is not how you think. Oh, dude, I got something.
Big Tuna got something? What do we got? Big Tuna caught the big tuna!
If you haven't subscribed yet, come on. And the last one, the star of the show, is the Find Mag 2,625 pounds fishing magnet kit, double-sided magnet fishing kit with rope, super strong fishing magnet for retrieving items in river, lake, beach, lawn, 4.57 inches in diameter for a price of $72. That's how much I paid for that? Jesus.
This one also is the same brand as the one that we had been using.
Yes. Who's gonna open that up?
Oh my lord.
That is much bigger. Oh my god.
So this is what we should have started with.
Yeah. This one's a lot bigger, by far.
Yes.
It comes with two of the thingies like the other one. 304 stainless steel, I think. See, this thing is beefy. This is probably 5 pounds. Are these like to remove the...
I just remembered that
treasure?
that head came with something else. This has a bunch of magnetic findings on it that
Huh? Oh, you get them out.
magnetic powder.
Oh, that was cool again. So you could probably got to clean it out every once in a while.
Yeah. But yeah, at least this one also came with the scraper thingy as
This
well.
thing is serious. So the inside of it, at the first look, I thought it was rusted. I don't think it's
gold.
rust. Yeah,
That's why it was
yeah.
$72.
Yeah, it's tough for the cameras to see it, but inside's like goldish rust orange colored. Oh, that line's thick.
And the one
That's
thing
the thickest line.
you'll note on the one that we have been using, it doesn't have a carabiner. That's because when it hits a piece of metal, it makes a little click noise, but you add the carabiner to it, and that clinks on, and every time it touches the bottom, you think that you're getting treasure,
Yeah.
but it's just the carabiner clicking on, so...
It's kind of frustrating. This by far is the biggest, beefiest magnet with the
Yes.
biggest, beefiest rope.
Yes.
The gloves are about the same. Maybe more grippier palms.
They do
Weird
have a nice
texture to
texture
them.
to them. Another thing that sucks about these is both Mark and I have the hands of a 9-year-old girl.
These are, but they're gorgeous.
They
Our
do
hands
look
are
nice.
beautiful.
Universal gloves don't work for our hands.
No, but this thing is serious.
Yes.
That one by far is the thing I'm most excited about. I'm kind of impressed. I'm a fan of cases. You know, it keeps everything nice and neat. Whereas this box, it's like this thing's just gonna get thrown around.
This foam is gonna get nasty if you don't dry
Oh.
it. This one doesn't really have that.
Oh yeah.
Big Papa Pump.
It's a manhole cover.
Dude, that thing will pull you in if you stand on it.
And if you click right here, check that video out. Which magnet actually gets the treasure? That's the thing. So click right here. Thanks for watching. Oh, that gimbal just died again. It's like, oh god, they're pitching another video.
Which magnet will win?
This is kind of nice.